of the aircraft the first time. मेरे तो होश ही उड़ गए थे और like कहाँ गए
That jump is really very hard and very mindset jump that I have to jump and I have to land there on the ground at any cost.
Time alone will tell as to who all will manage to pull it off high up in the sky. The day of judgment for these 5 civilians has come, finally. Their final task shall see them jumping from a helicopter, a never-before opportunity for any civilian. Leave aside para-jumping. Most civilians do not even get to see paratroopers in action.
Okay. Hila, you can go towards the aircraft.
A paratrooper never leaves any loose ends, literally. The pre-jumping drill has to be followed in toto, and the jumping gear has to be worn properly. Any laxity here can prove dangerous later on.
I'm just waiting to jump because I think I have confidence because of the training that I've been given.
No.
So I think I'll be able to do it.
Rudra, are you good?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for the jump?
Yes, sir.
You can go to the aircraft.
This is the final leap और थोड़ा सा डर तो लग रहा है लेकिन the lesson is don't make fear your master but your subordinate, control it.
Priyanka, ready?
Yes, sir.
You can go to the aircraft.
Yes, ready to jump always, and we are waiting for this moment for last so many hours. So it's time to jump now.
Both of you have the capability to do it, but it's a very small period of time and I've assessed you. It's just that the first reaction has to be a different kind. So you'll have to wait for some time and then you'll have a skydive.
Rohan and Kuldeep need to develop and exhibit adequate self-confidence before their instructor can feel confident about their preparedness levels.
Rohan, you can board.
The para-instructor's sharp eyes are trained to detect even traces of underconfidence. A big disqualification for anyone who aspires to become a paratrooper. Kuldeep is left heartbroken. He is out of the reckoning for this para-jumping task.
अब कूद के ही बात करूंगा सब, अभी सारी बात खत्म. कूदेंगे, कूद तो जाऊंगा. It would be one of my life biggest moment if I jump solo from the aircraft.
A paratrooper is an embodiment of supreme confidence. Confidence is a non-negotiable attribute for becoming a paratrooper. And nothing below 100% is acceptable here. Kuldeep's body language, facial expressions, and his eyes mirrored his fear of heights. And the seasoned instructor lost no time in reading it.
मुझे 2 बटन दिखे उसमें, एक रिजर्व का और एक वो पैराशूट खोलने का. वही मुझे खोलने और मतलब मेरे को ध्यान नहीं कौन सा नाम क्या है, कहाँ होना चाहिए, बस जिंदा नीचे उतरना चाहिए मुझे. Check canopy, then hold, look, pull away, cut away. थोड़ा.
He's trying hard to come to terms with this twist of fate.
Check canopy, everything okay, land. बस इतना करना है मैंने.
पैराशूट में जब मेरे को बोला गया कि कुलदीप यू कांट मी गोइंग अप इन द स्काई फॉर द जंप, उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि जैसे कि किसी ने एक शीशे पे पत्थर मार दिया और उसके अंदर क्रैक्स आते हैं, उस तरह बिल्कुल महसूस जैसे टूट गया मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे.
Kuldeep's dream of jumping from the helicopter has come crashing down. Will this hamper his final tally for the main result? Watch out for the remaining 4 Mission Army candidates as they take to the skies for a daring jump. and find out who will ultimately emerge as the winner of the series.
And the winner of Mission Army Desh Ki Raksha is...
Keep watching.